not to say. Cold as such is not a it's not a chief complaint. You could say cough, fever.
Okay, sir.
They are chief complaints. Okay. Cold is like the general term we use earlier. It's not a
Okay, sir.
specific entity as such. Okay. A cough for 10 days. Okay, finish. Or you can say cough with fever for
7
10.
days.
Okay. Cough for 7 days. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
History of present is.
Okay. So this child has got
Yeah.
only a complaint of cough for 7 days. That's it. That's nothing else. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
sir. A known case of in Karaikal GH
No, in the see,
has now come with complaints of
okay. Huh. Right. Right. Continue.
cough for 7 days, which was insidious in onset, progressive in nature, no diurnal variation,
Hmm.
which is productive type of cough, no aggravating and relieving factor, not associated with the chest pain.
Okay. Productive. You said this is a productive cough.
Yes, sir.
Productive cough. Okay. What are the cause of productive cough?
Bacterial infections.
That is a general term. Causes. Causes. You have to name the condition. Just see few common respiratory infections. Okay.
Lower
Productive.
respiratory.
Productive cough. Tuberculosis. Okay. Pneumonia, more common in children. Pneumonia is very common. Tuberculosis is a productive cough. Bronchiectasis, lung abscess, these are all productive coughs. Non-productive cough, dry coughs are common cold, as you said, no? Flu. Common flu is a non-productive cough. Otitis media is a non-productive cough. You can get a non-productive. Bronchial asthma is a non-productive. Usually, bronchial asthma is a non-productive cough. So it depends. Okay, productive or non-productive. Bronchitis is a productive type of cough. That is why you are asking. Okay, if you say productive, you should again tell whether it is a moderate, mild, massive. Other you have
Okay, sir.
you tell in this child whether it's mild or moderate. You didn't ask. Okay, but how will you know whether it's mild or moderate? What is the cutoff?
By quantity,
Quantity. Okay, so tell how quantity? What quantity? So less than 50 ml is mild quantity. Okay, moderate is 50 to 150. Okay, and massive is more
okay,
than 150 ml per day. That's why you
okay,
classify.
sir.
What are the causes of massive expectoration of uh, massive sputum causes? Anybody? Bronchiectasis, lung abscess. Okay, these are the conditions there is massive expectoration. Right. Then you said there
History
is
of lethargy and excess.
no wait. Okay, and there is what else you said about after the cough? Productivity, then variation. There is diurnal variation.
No diurnal variation,
Okay. There are three
not
variations.
associated with
Diurnal variation. I think last class also I told you.
non-foul smelling, not blood stained.
So variations, whether it is diurnal, whether it is seasonal, whether it is positional, you have to ask. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Uh, See, just because Down syndrome now you did not select it. Even cough also they will ask. Okay. Need not be
Okay.
questions, no, need not be only on the Down syndrome. They can ask anything. So you have to prepare. When you return a chief complaint, you should know in and out about that chief.
Okay, sir.
No.
History of lethargy and excessive sleep present. No history of forehead sweating. No history of cyanosis on feeding.
Okay,
No
lethargy.
history of failure to thrive.
Why did you ask about lethargy?
Sir, hypothyroid.
Okay, okay, relation to hypothyroidism. Okay, so you ask that first. What else? Noise of lethargy. Then
excessive sleep,
excessive sleep, both for hypothyroidism.
hypothyroid,
Okay, then
breathlessness on feeding, forehead
restlessness.
sweating.
Okay. Can anybody other than him answer why he is asking about breathlessness and forehead sweating?
Congestive heart disease.
Congestive heart.
Congestive cardiac failure. Okay. Why congestive cardiac failure in Down syndrome?
Sir, associates with yeast.
VSD. Only VSD? What are the problems in Down syndrome? What are the cardiac problems in Down syndrome? Cushion defect, ECD, endocardial cushion defect. So this you should not forget. ECD, endocardial cushion defects are common in Down syndrome. Okay, so they will be associated with VSD, ASD. Okay, so all these things they will be associated. Okay,
No history of pedal edema, no history of abdominal pain, no history of oliguria,
okay.
no history of loss of appetite,
No history
no
of pedal
history of
edema
delayed
again for congestive cardiac failure. Okay, loss of appetite.
yes sir.
Then,
No history of loss of appetite, no history of delayed dentition, no history of mental retardation.
no history of mental retardation. How did you ask about
History,
Uh, no history or history of mental retardation?
history of mental retardation.
How did you ask in the history? Are they history? So what question will ask to the mother to know that see mental retardation ideally this can be diagnosed only by IQ testing. Okay, so objectively diagnose mental retardation you need to do IQ testing. But you are saying history
Okay.
of mental retardation present. So what made you think from the history that the child is having mental retardation? Okay, sometimes generally you can ask the mother whether the child is appears to be the same like the same age group. Suppose 6-year-old child na other 6-year-old child madri behave whether the child's behavior is the same or the behave like a younger child. Okay, so like that indirectly you can ask. Okay, but very difficult to say mentally retarded or not from the history.
Okay, sir.
Okay, why mental
Okay,
retardation
sir.
in history you ask? What is the reason you ask? Anybody else? Alan. Alan,
Sir,
what is the reason for asking about mental retardation in this child? Guru. Sorry? Vishnu. Don't know. Okay. So all children with the Down syndrome, their associate their IQ will be only 70 to 90. Most of the children with Down syndrome will have an IQ of only 70 to 90. Okay, this is a subnormal IQ. Okay, this is mental retardation. Okay, that is why we should ask about history. Okay, reason is unknown why they are it is associated, but why it happens. But they are most of the children with Down syndrome they have an IQ of 70 to 90. Okay, which is a trainable.
Okay.
They are not educable. Usually, most often they are not educable. Okay, usually normal IQ is about 100 to 110. Okay, 70 to
Yes.
90 is trainable, 90 to 110 is educable. More than that is normal. Okay, so these children are only trainable. Okay, because of
Okay, sir.
some problem. They are always, most of the children, they are mentally retarded. That is why you are asking about mental retardation. Okay.
Okay. No history of vomiting and no history of constipation.
Why
No
vomit?
history of bone pain.
Why vomiting? Why constipation? Why bone pain?
Sir, duodenal atresia, sir.
Okay, for
To
vomiting.
rule out duodenal atresia, leukemia.
Okay.
Bone pain
Okay.
for leukemia.
Okay. So most of the children with Down syndrome, they are associated with leukemia, lymphoma. Okay. That is why we are asking about all these things. Okay. So can anyone tell what are the systemic problems in Down syndrome? I think last class already we discussed. Again, we can what are the systemic problems in Down syndrome? System-wise problems in Down syndrome. RS, CVS, CNS, abdomen, GIT, hematological.
No.
Bleeding manifestations, sir.
Another
Bleeding manifestations.
bleeding manifestation. No, you come in an order, system-wise.
Sir, in CVS,
Okay, CVS, correct.
Sir, poor muscle.
Not clear, sir.
sir, in CVS, BSD, vitals,
No,
those
what?
are different.
Just hold on. What I'm asking is system-wise. Is my audio clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
System-wise problem in Down syndrome. For example, CNS, what are the problem? CVS, what is the problem? RS, what is
Sir,
the
in
problem?
CVS,
Yeah.
endocardial cushion defect,
Okay, correct. Next.
ventricular septal defect.
Okay, finish. CVS is finished. Next.
In respiratory system, recurrent respiratory tract infection.
Okay, correct. Next.
Diaphragmatic hernia.
Okay.
In gastrointestinal system,
Hmm.
atresia, duodenal atresia,
Duodenal atresia, ileal atresia. Okay.
Eisenberg disease,
Okay.
angular pancreas.
Okay. One more.
In central nervous system,
No. What in GIT, Hirschsprung disease.
yes, sir, Hirschman disease.
Hirschsprung disease. Okay. Then next. In CNS.
CNS, epilepsy,
Okay.
mental retardation,
Mental retardation, epilepsy. Then
artistic
they
behavior.
they will have early Alzheimer's disease. Okay. Alzheimer's usually it occurs in older age group. Yeah, 70, 80 and age group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These children, they can have early Alzheimer's even in their 30s or 40s. Even in their 40s, they can go for Alzheimer's. These are the major CNS complications. What else? Skeletal system.
And small genital organs.
Okay. Genitals will be small. Males will
Males
be
are infertile.
Females are fertile.
Infertile. Females are fertile.
Okay. Next.
Um,
Skeletal system. கழுத்துல என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும் கழுத்துல
Atlantoaxial
Subluxation.
Atlantoaxial subluxation.
subluxation.
Okay, the joint will be very unstable. Okay, that can be leading to sudden death in these children. Okay, suddenly if the child mother is shaking the head suddenly, that can lead to sudden death. That is why you have to be careful. Okay, you have to rule it out by doing an MRI, right? Okay, then what about hematological system?
Leukemias.
Leukemias, lymphomas are very common in these children. Okay, and one more thing is the endocrine system. Yeah, okay. Polycythemia is common. Endocrine wise, hypothyroidism is very common. These are the problems a child with Down syndrome can have. Depends, okay, on the type of Down syndrome. Okay, right. That is
Past history.
okay. So present
History of similar complaint.
When was the child diagnosed?
Sir, 1 year after birth. Sir.
1 year after birth. Can the Down syndrome can be diagnosed at birth? Any answers? Can Down syndrome be diagnosed at birth? So yes, it can be
Yes, sir.
diagnosed at birth. Something known as the Hall's criteria. I'll just show that. Okay, if you apply the Hall's criteria in a newborn, you can diagnose even at birth. Okay. Uh, yeah, this is the Hall's criteria. Okay. Hypotonia, poor morose, hyperreflexivity, excess skin on the back of neck, flat facial profile, slanted palpebral fissures. These are the Hall's criteria. Okay. If four or more are there,
Okay.
okay, that means 100% of this chances of Down syndrome. How will you confirm Down syndrome?
By karyotyping.
Karyotyping. Okay, right. Okay, right. And on karyotyping, what will you see?
Triplication of
Sorry, can you repeat again?
There are three chromosomes
Effect
at
of
21st
three
position.
chromosomes.
Three chromosome at 21st position.
21st position.
That is what you will be seeing in the karyotype. Okay, right. Continue.
past history. History of similar complaint in past once in 2 months. History of hospitalization for same complaint in the past. No history of seizures.
Okay, right.
Antenatal history.
What is the most important
Age
thing you'll
of
ask in the antenatal history?
age of mother.
Age of the mother. And how does the age of the mother is important in what are the risks according to the age?
So if the
than 40 years.
30 years.
According
More
to
than
the
40 years,
more than
they
45.
have 45 years of age, high risk of.
Okay, high risk means you should know what is the probability. Okay, just look at this table. More than 45, 1 in 50 chances. Okay, 40 to 44, 1 in 100. 35 to 31, 1 in 2. Like that you should tell in the exam. Okay.
okay,
What is the general incidence of Down syndrome?
sir. 1 in 800 to 1 in
Very good. Okay, general population,
1,500.
the incidence is around 1 in 1,000. Okay, 1 in 800 to 1 in 1,000. Yeah. Okay. Continue.
Antenatal history. Age of mother 32 years.
32.
Consanguineous marriage.
So 32 now 1 in 800 chance probability. Okay, according to this table. Okay.
Yes, sir. Consanguineous marriage. Second degree consanguineous marriage. First baby. Mother's blood group is A positive.
Okay.
Booking under humanized case.
Booked and
No history
immunized.
of abortion.
Okay. So she was 32 years at conception.
Yes, sir.
So on the time can we diagnose Down syndrome?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. By dating scan.
Dating can
Sorry.
Nuchal translucency more than 3
So
millimeter.
mother has come with 32 years and she is asking you that question. Can I get Down syndrome now? What will you answer and how will you go about
Sir,
it? Yeah, continue. Tell me. Am I clear? Did you understand? Okay,
sir,
what test
not
you will
able
do?
to.
Now, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So mother is 32-year-old and she's asking you whether I can get a child with Down syndrome. So what will you tell her and what investigation you will do?
Sir, triple test.
Okay, triple test. Very good. Okay, so these are all tests known as screening tests for Down syndrome. Okay. What is triple test?
Sir, decreased alpha fetoprotein. Increased serum human chorionic gonadotropin. Other one I forgot, sir.
Triple என்னப்பா இருக்கும் triple? Okay, alpha fetoprotein, estriol and beta HCG.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta HCG, okay, and estradiol will be increased. AFP will be decreased.
Yes,
Okay, so
yes, sir.
and then you can look at the nuchal translucency also. Okay, there will be increased nuchal translucency in Down syndrome, and triple test will be positive in Down syndrome. That is what you can do. These are only screening tests. Suppose if it is positive now, you can go for the confirmatory test, which is the karyotype. Okay. So what samples you will take for karyotype? How will you take the samples for karyotype? The mother is say 2 months, 3 months.
Synthesis.
Okay, amniocentesis, chorionic villus sampling, or chordocentesis. Okay, if she has come early the first trimester, now amniocentesis. Slightly little bit later, chorionic villus sampling. In the third trimester, you can do chordocentesis, and these samples can be sent for confirmation by karyotype. Karyotyping is confirmation. Okay.
Okay, sir. First trimester, spontaneous conception,
Hmm.
folic acid tablets taken, no history of fever and rashes, no history of drug intake, no history of bleeding per vagina, no history of trauma, no history of exposure to radiation.
Okay. Sorry.
Dating scan was done. Baby appears to be normal. TT first dose given.
Why TT is given? Why is TT given to the mother? Naveen,
Sir,
why is it given? When is it given? How many times it is given? I don't know. Next, Kirubalin.
If it is first pregnancy,
Uh,
at first month we have to give first dose, sir.
so usually you
And
can,
fifth,
in general, how many times will give? 2 times.
2
TT
doses.
is given. 2 doses
2
are
times.
given. Okay.
2 doses.
In the government side, they'll give once in the first trimester, one in the second trimester.
Second
Okay.
trimester.
Okay, but ideally it should be 2 doses should be given. For one second dose should be 4 weeks before the expected date in delivery. Okay,
Okay.
the first dose should be 4 weeks. So we have to calculate like that and give. But in general, government said they are giving one in first trimester, one in second trimester. Okay, TT. What is it?
Okay.
What is the purpose? To prevent tetanus
In case of
neonatal.
instrumental delivery, to prevent infection.
To prevent tetanus neonatal. Okay, tetanus in the neonate.
Okay.
To prevent that, we are giving, not for the mother. Okay, of course for the mother also,
Okay.
but mainly we are giving to prevent tetanus neonatal. Okay.
Okay, sir. Second trimester, quickening felt at 20th week. TT second dose was given. Anomaly scan done. Baby appears to be normal. No history of gestational diabetes mellitus. No history of pregnancy-induced hypertension.
Okay. What is
No
the
history of hyper or sir.
what is the complication of PIH? Anybody? Like so many times I have told. Complication of
Sir, I'm not
pregnancy.
able to audio.
Not audible, sir.
Pregnancy-induced hypertension complication. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Complication of pregnancy-induced hypertension.
Seizure.
Postpartum hemorrhage.
No, not for the
Placental.
mother. No,
Eclampsia.
no, that is for the
Placental.
mother. For the baby.
Okay, sir.
For the baby.
Preterm baby.
Preterm delivery is okay. Fetal hypoxia, IUGR. Okay, more than preterm, there will be intrauterine growth retardation. And there can be fetal hypoxia. Is it clear and audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Continue.
No history of hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. No history of headache. No history of no history of bleeding per vagina.
Okay. Sorry, natal history normal.
Sir?
Natal history normal.
No, sir.
Natal.
Around 36 weeks, there was a further decrease in perception of fetal movement,
Okay.
and hence referred for a lower segment cesarean section.
Okay. Sorry. Indication reduced perception of fetal movement. Okay. Right.
No history of meconium strained liquor. Baby cried immediately after delivery. Preterm baby.
Okay.
Fetal birth weight 2.5 kgs.
Preterm delivery. Yeah. Okay. When was the EDD and when was
Yes.
the child born? How long? I mean, how early the child was born?
Sir, child was born 36th week, sir.
Okay. So what will you tell? Almost near term. Okay. 37 complete term
Yes, sir.
is term. So almost term. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Neonatal history. Baby cried immediately after delivery. Breastfeed done. No history of bluish discoloration. Baby passed meconium and urine within 24 hours. No history of seizures. No history of breathlessness. No history of NIC admission.
Okay. Suppose the child does not pass meconium within 24 hours. What will you think? First.
Sorry, your audio is breaking, sir.
Okay. Suppose the child does not pass meconium in the first day. What is the problem?
Sir,
Okay.
Blood sample.
Just see the chat. No. Child not pass meconium.
Duodenal apparatus.
What is the cause of delayed passage of meconium? Usually, meconium should be passed within 24 hours. Hypothyroidism. Commonest is hypothyroidism. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hypothyroidism. Okay, anal stenosis, Hirschsprung's disease. Okay, in the children with Down syndrome, hypothyroidism and Hirschsprung's both are common. That is why these children they can have delayed passage of meconium. Okay,
okay, sir.
Kapilan, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Immunization history. Immunized for appropriate age according to National
Sorry,
Immunization Schedule.
Vanda. Skip.
Developmental history. Mother noticed that there was a delay in the milestone of one year since birth. Taken to the hospital and diagnosed as Down syndrome.
You should not say like that. Okay, you should say head holding achieved at 4-5 months. Like that you should tell. When was the head holding? Okay, gross motor, fine motor, social, language. Okay.
Sir?
No, you should say gross motor, head holding achieved at rolling over
okay,
achieved
sir.
at. On the mother, in that order you have to say. You should not say mother notice like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So children with Down syndrome, they will have mild motor delay. Am I clear? Mild motor delay because of hypotonia. Apart from that, they will have they will have speech delay. Okay. Social milestones are usually they will be normal only. They are very happy and very social children. So social milestone delay will not be there that much. But speech delay and mild motor delay will be there in children with Down. Otherwise, they will be normal. Okay. And delay also will not be very gross. Okay, mild delay will be there. Instead of say 1 year, 1.5 year child walking, child will walk at around 2 years. That's all. Okay.
Okay. Dietary history.
Okay, skip general examination.
General examination. Child was moderately built and nourished, conscious and lethargic.
In the moderately
not
built and
complete.
nourished, you should not tell in pediatrics. because you're taking detailed anthropometry. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you should not say moderately nourished like that in pediatrics. Okay. The child is conscious, cooperative, alert. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not completely oriented to the mother and surrounding.
Okay.
Pallor present, no icterus, no cyanosis, no pedal edema.
Okay.
Vitals, respiratory rate 18 per minute, blood pressure 126/80 millimeter of mercury,
For a
pulse
6-year-old
rate
child,
70.
126 is hypertension. Are you able to hear?
Okay, sir.
6 years
Yes, sir. Yes,
126
sir.
varadappa. Sorry, adult ke 126 is hypertension. Okay. So normal
Okay,
வந்து
sir.
6 years வந்து அது is around 100 to 110 only. So you say normal value. So you want
Okay,
to
sir.
understand. Down syndrome are not associated with hypertension. Why you want to say?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Pulse rate is
Anthropometric.
pulse rate for
So pulse rate 68 beats per minute.
68, again it is normal, not normal. Okay, normally for a 6-year-old child, what will the pulse rate is? 80 to 100 தான் இருக்கு. சரியா?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You should know what are the normal values in that age group. Okay. For 6 to 10 years, 80 to
Okay.
100 is normal pulse rate. 72 is normal for an adult or adolescent child. You are telling 68. கம்மியா சொல்றேன்.
Anthropometry. Sir, weight of the baby, weight of the child 25 kilogram. Expected weight 20 kilograms.
Okay, good. So slightly obese. Obese.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Height?
Height of the baby 113 centimeter. Actual height 110 centimeters. Sir.
138.
Sir,
Expected is 138 is okay. So short stature irka. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Children with Down syndrome, they can be associated with short stature because of hypothyroidism. Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Head circumference. Expected head circumference 50 centimeter. Actual head circumference 45 centimeters, sir.
Okay. So there is microcephaly. Okay. So all these are significant. There is short stature. There is microcephaly.
Mid-arm circumference 12.75 centimeter.
Okay. Moderate malnutrition.
Head to toe examination.
Okay. So head to foot examinations. Please just look at this slide. Okay. These are the detailed head to foot examination. What will be there in any child with Down syndrome. Okay. Generally, there will be open mouth, protruded tongue, hyperflexed joints. Okay. Then eyes, there will be lots of findings in the eyes. Okay. Neck, there will be short neck. Okay. Dentition will be hypoplastic. Hands, they will have all these findings: short metacarpal, stout phalanges, clinodactyly, single palmar crease, ulnar loop. Okay. Feet will be wide, gap will be there in the first and second toe. Okay. Internally, saddle gap will be there. So these are the head to foot findings in Down syndrome. Okay, right? And what about you, this child? Head to foot findings.
Sir, flat occiput.
Okay.
Large anterior frontal leg.
Okay. Large anterior frontal leg will be
Short.
Large anterior frontal leg, what will you suspect? Again, hypothyroidism. Okay. Large anterior frontal leg is the feature of hypothyroidism. Okay. In Down syndrome, they will have microcephaly, brachycephaly, flat occiput. Okay. Typical features in the head in the Down syndrome. Okay. So,
okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. The time is up. I'll send one more.
Okay.